100 naked people and I saw naked people for the first time and this is on Doordarshan. रात को आता था 11:30 बजे. But it's how is this like happening?
I always been a part of the reality shows. इंडियन आइडल हो गया, फिर लाफ इंडिया लाफ मैंने किया था, पहचान कौन मैंने किया था. तो मतलब ठीक है, लाइक करो जो भी है, बट जो भी है फिल्टर आउट करना है, जो भी है क्लीन करना है कॉमेडी. अगर क्लिक तो वो एक है, वो चेंज हो गया है. वो चेंज है, क्लीन मतलब कि आपको क्लीन ही रहना पड़ेगा. क्या क्या ये भी नहीं बोल सकते.
Sandokan is like it was a series, Italian series where Kabir Bedi played the lead role. Okay, and even today, if Kabir Bedi is in a hotel in Italy, the hotel is mobbed. It's that iconic a series. So now coming to the topic, what we are going to talk about beyond just being ourselves. We are talking about evolution of television, which is one of my most interesting topics. This, I think, a lot can be said क्योंकि हमने वो black and white से, मतलब मैंने तो black and white से अभी तक का जो देखा है, and I remember how things have changed. One of the big changes I remember when the cable television came, and so you remember certain things. मुझे याद है मैं मामा जी के घर गए थे, and उनके घर केबल टेलीविजन मैंने पहली बार देखा, कभी केबल टेलीविजन, and it was such an amazing thing कि रात को 11 बजे के बाद भी टीवी पे कुछ आता है. रात को 11 बजे भी टीवी के बाद कुछ आता है, टीवी पे कुछ आता है. I had never seen that. So I remember me and my brother, we were sleeping in the drawing room. वहाँ पे टीवी था, हम म्यूट पे रात को 2 बजे तक कार रेसिंग देख रहे. और and like we were kids and no context, but it's just that there's something on television. There's something on television at 2 o'clock in the night. Is how I remember, कि कितना मतलब वो जो लैंडमार्क मोमेंट होते हैं ना, तुमको याद आता है कि हाँ ये चेंज हुआ था, फिर ये चेंज हुआ था, फिर ये चेंज हुआ था. Obviously from black and white to colored, and then the cable television, then Zee TV and all that happened, and then अब तो 50,000 चैनल है, OTT है, and still
glued to your phone now.
Glued to your phone. That's been the, I think, journey. You've been with television for a long time now. What have you seen change in 15 years of being part of TV?
Being part as a मतलब
as a not as a viewer but as a performer. सन 2008 में जब आप पहली बार आए थे.
This is that show, with the, what's her name, that wonderful lady who used to sit.
फूल खिले हैं गुलशन तबस्सुम. तबस्सुम was the lady. अरे
I always been a part of the reality shows. जितने इंडियन आइडल हो गया, फिर लाफ इंडिया लाफ मैंने किया था, पहचान कौन मैंने किया था. तो मतलब ठीक है, लाइक करो जो भी है, बट जो भी है फिल्टर आउट करना है, जो भी है क्लीन करना है कॉमेडी. अगर क्लिक तो वो एक है, वो चेंज हो गया है. वो चेंज है, क्लीन मतलब कि आपको क्लीन ही रहना पड़ेगा. क्या क्या ये भी नहीं बोल सकते. इनफैक्ट टू द एक्सटेंट मैं व्हेन आई डब आल्सो, डब मैं करता था बच्चों के लिए. तो पोगो चैनल पे आई यूज्ड टू डब दिस कॉल्ड मॉन्स्टर किड. आई वाज द वॉइस ऑफ द मेन कैरेक्टर. आमिर खान की वॉइस देना था उसको. वहाँ पे आप क्योंकि बच्चों के लिए, तो आप ये भी नहीं बोल सकते कि आप ये साला नहीं बोलना है, ये नहीं बोलना है, अरे ये तो उसमें भी फिल्टर करना पड़ता है. तो अभी तो मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं कि अभी तो इतने सारी चीज़ें हैं. मतलब ऑनलाइन देखो, मतलब आई वुड से कंपेयर टीवी एंड दिस, इट हैज इवॉल्व्ड अ लॉट.
बट टीवी हैज बिकम टू क्लीन नाउ. आई रिमेंबर द टाइम व्हेन देयर वाज एवरीथिंग ऑन टीवी. एवरीथिंग.
नेशनल टीवी पे, अपने इंडियन टीवी पे.
सर I'll tell you, and I was.
तो कौन सी टीवी देखता था?
चैनल बताना, टाइमिंग बताना. मैं
So I remember, and it's like sometimes there used to be English series that would come on television, and some amazing ones. एक तो I Love Lucy आता था. I Love Lucy आता था बहुत पहले.
Lucy Lobol उसका नाम. हाँ.
And then जो कबीर बेदी का शो था ना, Sandokan, which made him like an icon in Italy. So Kabir Bedi is a god in Italy.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Sandokan.
You don't know this?
What is this? Sons of what?
Sandokan.
Sandokan.
Sandokan. Sandokan.
Sandokan
Was a
is
series.
like it was a series, Italian series, where Kabir Bedi played the lead role. Okay, and even today, if Kabir Bedi is in a hotel in Italy, the hotel is mobbed. It's that iconic a series. I remember that series.
बट ये
Then I remember
किस पे आता था ये?
डीडी पे
किस पे आता था ये?
डीडी पे आई थी बाद में, बहुत बाद में आई थी. But it's a major series. It like बहुत अलग level.
What does Sandokan mean?
Sandokan is like, you know, he's like a guy with a Greek body and is saving people.
अच्छा.
घोड़े पे जा रहा है.
like
and-
an Indian prince
हाँ,
or a Persian prince, ऐसा
हाँ,
कुछ था
प्रिंस
उनका.
प्रिंस टाइप था, कुछ ऐसे उस टाइप का स्टोरी था. For its time, it was fantastic. Okay, you can watch it on YouTube. I think now should be available.
100%,
Sandokan,
dude.
you got to watch like a shirtless Kabir Bedi, and Kabir Bedi is handsome as.
Yeah. That he is. That
But
he is.
I realized that they don't filter anything when there was a movie which was actually a tragic movie. It was called Escape from Sobibor. Okay, Escape from Sobibor. Sobibor was one of the, Nazi concentration camps. And I used to watch English content कि ठीक है आ रहा है तब उतना समझ भी नहीं आता था. And I'm watching and it's a tragic scene, but it's, the gas chambers. But there were like 100 naked people and I saw naked people for the first time and this is on Doordarshan. रात को आता था 11:30 बजे, like, but it's, how is this like happening? So there was,
Did you have the because I imagine that if you didn't know that there was shame associated with the naked body, you would have been like, oh, that's just.
No, I was a kid. I didn't even know how to react, but it was a shock कि अरे नंगे लोग like is because it's
It's really bad.
see 7th 8th standard, I think that's where I was.
I
And
still
then-
get shocked, but that's a different-
नहाने के बाद आईने में देख के मेरे को चौंक जाता हूँ.
ये कौन है?
Then if it's a film festival and they're showing all the movies, they're showing all the movies unedited. रात को 11 बजे के बाद.
अच्छा.
And it had everything. So that's where Doordarshan was. And then DD Metro started. Okay, DD Metro याद है? And DD Metro तो मुझे उसमें तो English shows for the first time prime time में आ रहे हैं. 8 से 10 बजे आता था DD Metro. It was a different channel. So suddenly we had 2 channels on TV from one channel.
The need for a remote control
हाँ.
suddenly emerged.
हाँ. And we are watching, I still remember 11th or 12th standard. So 91, 92. DD Metro तब नया नया.
Yeah.
उसपे एक शो आता था Dallas.
हाँ, Dallas आता था.
Yes.
Dallas करके एक शो आता था.
Burt Reynolds था उसमें नहीं.
Yeah.
Burt Reynolds पता नहीं कौन था.
हाँ, I don't remember the name, but वो चल रहा है and हम खाना खा रहे हैं and then some steamy scene came, like not complete nudity, but it was like pretty steamy for its time. And my father is eating like, यही गंद देखते हुए खाना खाना.
एक रोटी और लाओ.
तो हमने चेंज करके समाचार के साथ टीवी देखा फिर.
पाचन शक्ति के लिए.
फिर बोल्ड एंड ब्यूटीफुल आता था मेरे ख्याल में.
फिर एक आता था जिसमें वो जो गाड़ी होती थी जो इंटेलिजेंट गाड़ी नाइट समथिंग.
Knight Rider with
Knight
David
Rider.
Hasselhoff was
Oh,
also
yes.
in
Baywatch.
Baywatch, correct.
Baywatch,
He was the head
Baywatch.
coach in Baywatch, or head lifeguard.
Lifeguard. But before that, there used to be a show called that robot show. I don't know if you.
Small Wonder.
नहीं Small Wonder भी नहीं. एक बहुत Giant Robot. Giant Robot, you might not know.
Giant
this
Robot was on
before.
national
Giant
पे.
Robot was on national TV long time. It was a Japanese show where they would call the Giant Robot and there's a big, Godzilla-sized robot who would come in, yeah. And you're like, wow, robot. And this is black and white TV, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, so we had artificial intelligence back then.
हाँ.
And
तो अभी चालू हो
in
रहा है.
comparison to the real stupidity that we are suffering from now, imagine that. Yeah.
So Giant Robot was a show, the first, I think, robot show that I watched.
Yeah.
ये Little Wonder तो बहुत बाद में आया.
Correct.
ये तो फिर लिटिल वंडर एंड बोलन ये सब फिर स्टार अब जब आया उसके
Yeah,
बाद
this is much later.
स्टार प्लस आने के बाद जो भी है
ये वो वाले हैं जो उससे पहले जो दूरदर्शन खरीद लेता था.
हीमैन वाले हीमैन
हाँ, He-Man and the powers of the universe.
Power of Grayskull, ना? Grayskull
I'm
बताता
Power of the universe.
Power of
Grayskull was the
universe.
castle.
Castle, yeah.
Castle, हाँ.
क्या jawline थी
That was
Skeletor
the
की यार.
Sunday. That was the Sunday. Sunday was special because morning programming. You know, उसमें there's one show where these two sisters were there. Very fun programs. अभी नाम भी भूल गया हूँ यार. दूरदर्शन वो Nasiruddin Shah's wife.
Ratna and Supriya.
Ratna Pathak Shah and her sister
Supriya.
Supriya.
हाँ.
So there was a show where the two of them were there. Can you check which show was there? Ratna Pathak Shah and Supriya Pathak, they were there.
Dude, actually, you know what, that whole era of Doordarshan programming was sort of spearheaded by these NSD graduates and the people who are now sort of like icons in, performance and entertainment and all, had all got their start, in those spaces. It's Doordarshan pe.
It was very qualitative stuff. So most of the writers of the earlier shows were PhDs in साहित्य, हिंदी साहित्य में PhD करी हुई है, डॉक्टरेट होते थे ये लोग. तो जो लिखा है वो बहुत सोच के देख कर लिखा है. ये नहीं है ना कि कल सुबह फिर निकालना है एपिसोड तो 4 बार गर्दन घुमा दो.
Yeah. Here's a question. Do you think those shows would have aged well? Like if we sat and saw something today, do you think those shows would have aged well?
I don't think we have the patience to watch a lot of those shows, except for one show. Mahabharat, I still find very fascinating.
Yeah,
I see clips of Mahabharat and it's so well written. It's so well written.
Production
The
value will not be
characters-
so good.
Listen, I
In
was
terms
so
of the
impressed.
characters and
I used to get mind blown जब वो ऐसे हाथ करके उसके arrows are flying and all. I could not get over it. I was like, how is
I
this
definitely
happening?
remember those times when I used to come at 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock.
सुबह 9 बजे.
सुबह 9 बजे आता था. हाँ.
I'm telling you, at least Mumbai used to shut down.
Yeah.
Like not a traffic
Yeah.
sound. Everybody sitting at home and just watching it.
ये रामायण और महाभारत में ये बहुत हुआ है.
हाँ.
But Mahabharat was so well written and it was so many characters. They had, and each of them was well written. उनके मुझे तो वो जो स्टार्टिंग में सॉन्ग था वो भी कुछ हद तक याद है अभी तक. वो जो महाभारत कथा है.
I don't know the meaning. I only know Mahabharat. Because Sunday morning, this used to goonjo across. I was in boarding school, okay? And so we had one TV in the entire school. And so Wednesday रात को चित्रहार होता था, for which everyone was given a break कि चित्रहार जाके देखेंगे. And then Sunday सुबह को, छाया गीत and Mahabharat and there was one other show which was somebody being very it was a VJ type person who would tell jokes in between songs and
Not
stuff like
Tabassum, na? That full
no, it was another one. And it was just I remember TV being an event. It was
I think
always
singularly.
it was a social thing कि TV on हो गया तो मतलब चप्पलें निकालो,
सब कुछ याद
helmet
होता
लगाओ.
था. Now I remember partly वो परित्राणाय साधूनाम विनाशाय
सोचा था background में?
दुष्कृताम.
इससे क्या बोला पता ही नहीं चला. रिपीट कर दो निकाल.
Is this where the iconic मैं समय हूँ came from?
That was Mahabharat.
Wow.
That voice over था ना? That was the
समय
super
हूँ.
था.
Yeah.
हरीश भिमानी जी.
Oh wow.
हरीश भिमानी जी था.
He's in voiceover. He would know.
You would know.
So these so that I think Sutradhar concept for the first time in India. नहीं. Sutradhar first time was हम लोग.
हाँ, हम लोग, yeah.
Where Ashok Kumar would come and
in
he
before,
would
break the fourth wall.
Fourth wall. Oh yeah.
Talk in the camera, look at it and then say what ये क्या हुआ.
बड़की की शादी हो नहीं पा रही है पर मझली को कोई मिल गया है.
You can act
और
also like Ashok
ये
Kumar.
जो
एक बार थोड़ा act करके बताओ.
नहीं I can't do Ashok
You can
Kumar.
try, no.
You can do this. You can.
I don't know Ashok. मुझे पुराने actors की voice करने आती ही नहीं है. Try.
So I remember Johnny Lever sir did this in Jalwa movie में करा था उन्होंने. Of that हम लोग character that Ashok Kumar did and Ashok Kumar sir का वो करा था. I'm very sorry. Okay, it's a very bad.
नहीं सबसे funny part ये होगा सुरेश का.
This will be the promo of the show.
इसकी रीलें बनेंगी.
बड़की की शादी हो नहीं पा रही है, मजली की शादी हो रही है. और समाज में यही होता है कि जब तक बड़ी बहन की शादी ना हो तो छोटी वाली पे हमेशा यही रहता है कि तुम्हें रुकना पड़ेगा. इस समाज का यही you know, so something of that sort.
देखा यार क्या बात
And he would be wearing those black glasses and doing this.
All
हाँ.
कुर्ता पजामा या
हाँ, so he would do that bit and like.
ये कट होगा इसका रील इसको बोलेगी तो गाइज सैन फ्रांसिस्को के टिकट्स अभी आ गए हैं आप कनाडा के टिकट जो
बड़की
प्लीज देख लीजिए है ना